fortune.
Hey guys, Odile is here.
Hello.
Do you want to spin the wheel?
Very excited.
Let's bring it in.
There's one thing you don't want. What would it be?
Oh, I think it would be this one.
Let's spin that wheel.
No, really?
Yeah, really?
Shit.
Whatever spins, we have to do it.
Okay.
It's coming off. Now I'm getting nervous. It's a lot of hair there. How's your heart? Let's hear it. Ooh, it's racing. Do you want to start on the sides or go straight down the middle?
Straight down the middle. Okay.
Ooh. It's all? Oh, and don't you guys forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and let me know if you would ever dare to spin such a wheel. Do you want to get the best part?
What's the best part?
Feel it.
Oh, yeah. So nice. So soft.
There we go. I think it needs more.
Okay.
There we go. Hoppa.
Wow. Woo! Woo! Wow. Really beautiful.
What? Well guys, that's it. We're done. Here's the before and the after.
More happy.
Definitely no regrets in spinning the wheel.
Not at all.
Not at all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit all the buttons like every YouTuber says. Subscribe to help me out and grow to 100,000. And let me know if you would ever be up for spinning the wheel. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Before you leave, 80% of you hasn't subscribed to the channel. Please hit that button and help me grow. It's for free.